Isn't it amazing how normal things look so dangerous and strange under a microscope? First, this thing that looks like an iron rod is actually your hair, a strand from your head. Under the microscope, it looks so big and tough. Now take a look at the next thing. It's really interesting. You wouldn't even guess, but this odd-looking texture is actually your own tongue. Yes, the same tongue we use every day without thinking about it. But under a microscope, it presents such a fascinating view. The next item is even more fun. Can you guess what this laughing cartoon face really is? It's grass. Yes, the same grass that you walk on every day. But under a microscope, seeing its lively smile could surprise anyone. Now, take a look at an ant. The tiny, harmless-looking ant that we see every day when seen through a microscope appears like a fearsome monster standing in front of us. Good thing it's so small or life would have been tough. And the last thing that will really make you think, this isn't a hole made by a drill machine. It's actually your skin after being punctured by a needle. Just imagine how delicate and incredible the structure of our skin is, something we overlook in our daily lives. But under a microscope, it looks so complex and sensitive. Who would have thought that the normal things around us could look so unique and terrifying, right?